This one app has replaced 5 apps I was previously using. Now, if you're sick of multiple subscriptions or just even learning a new program all the time, then this video is for you. Here are 5 things that Capcut does that you probably didn't know, and the last one will probably surprise you the most. Number 1 is Capcut's got a great editor on the phone, but did you also know that it has a desktop app and you just drag your videos in and then you can upload them to your workspace, which will synchronize with your phone. So number 2 is a teleprompter. So I can actually go into the phone app, and if you click this little button here, there's a little drop down, and here you'll see a teleprompter. Number 3 is Capcut allows you to create short clips from your long form video. So if I go into Capcut after I finish editing my video podcast, I can come up here and click long video to shorts, and it will trim down. In this instance, I've got 10 short clips, and I can edit it or I can export it. When you go in here, you can actually edit the length of the clip, and you can also edit the captions as well. And so for me, this has replaced like Opus or Munch. Number 4, once I've finished with making my short clips, I can actually schedule them out inside Capcut. So I can schedule into YouTube, into TikTok, into Facebook, and into Instagram. So number 5 is the one that is going to probably surprise you the most, and it's the one that I'm talking to you on now. So Capcut offers a Chrome extension where by clicking this button here, I can record this whole video using the Chrome extension of Capcut. So you can actually use it to do talking head videos, or you can do share screen like you would with a Loom video, and it's free. So you can just download that Chrome extension. So let me know, out of those 5 things that Capcut does, how many of them do you know and use? If you got value out of this video, press follow and like for more.